So hello students, so here I am with another problem on vernier scale. This problem will be asked last time in RGPV June 2025 examination. The problem will be like this: a water tank of size 27 metric cube was represented in the drawing by 216 centimeter cube. Construct a vernier scale of the same to measure that it is up to 5 meter. Also show on it the distance of 3.9 meter and 0.42 meter. Already you know about the vernier scale. Vernier scale will be used to represent distance in 3 units. So firstly, in this problem the proportion will be given in the form of volume. So in the case of volume you have to cube root that, and after cube rooting that, actually that is 216 centimeter cube, that cube root of that will be 6 centimeter, and 27 meter cube, its cube root will be 3 meter. So what we get the RF, that is 1 upon 50, you can easily find out that, and the length of a scale will be 10 centimeter. After that, now we will start. As you know that in vernier scale there will be a main scale, that is known as primary scale, and there will be one vernier part will be there. So initially, as the maximum length will be 5 meter, we will draw a 10 centimeter length and divide that into 5 parts. Now one part will be 1 meter. Then subdivide the first part into 10 parts as like the plane scale. But the new thing in the vernier scale will be, we have to divide all the parts into 10 parts. So that we have already done. Now above that will be the vernier part. In vernier part, what we will do, we will add one more part from the lower side. This will be 10. So in the upper side we have taken 11 and divided that into 10 parts. So the third fraction will be generated. In the subunit the one part will be 0.1 and in the vernier that will be 0.11. So in this way we will get meter, 0.1 meter and 0.11 meter. So this is the way to draw the scale. This is backward vernier scale. Now we want to find out 3.95. So we will start from 0.55. If we will divide 0.55 from 3.95, the value will be 3.4. So the length will be 0.55 and 3.4. So this distance will be 3.95. Same way you can also measure 0.42. This point will be 0.22. 0.22 plus 2 parts from this. So that will be 0.42. Thank you.